Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. So we are going to do a craft today. So you have to take a square paper. It will be easy for you if you get a line one. Now you will get a diamond. See, this is a square paper. If you tilt it, you'll get a diamond. So from the diamond you keep it. Now I'll show you this. See, from this diamond, this edge, wait, you will make a triangle. First do a diamond. Now fold it like this. Like this. Now you will get two halves like this. You will have to put it like this and fold this one down. You have to do. If you don't have the materials, it is okay. You can do with any paper. Now you will get a like this. Shall I repeat? You will get like this and you will fold it like this. Now this one you will do like this. So you will get a lily, a flower lily. Now you have your pencils. No, your glues. You have to paste. You have to paste it. See, this edge you have to see, this one, these two you have to paste it here. So you can paste it. Now I think you have been done. You've done right, everyone. So if you stick glue here, just paste it like this. Done, everyone. Just wait for a minute. When it will dry, we will draw something in it. Now I will show you what colors you need. You need a pink. You can get any favorite color of yours. For best color you need is pink, orange, yellow and blue. I'll repeat the colors again. Orange, blue, pink and yellow. Only these 4 colors. If you want to make it more attractive, you can take red also. Now this will be dried. What you have to do is take your scale, or you can draw your shapes on your own. You have to draw some hearts. I'll repeat again. You have to draw some hearts. Mini hearts in all directions. See, these like this mini heart you can draw in all directions. Like this. I'll show you. Wait. See, you have to draw the hearts in all the directions. Not only one directions you have to do. You can repeat the same directions. It's your wish. You can draw hearts or your favorite shape. Or you can draw even or write any quote. You know what do you mean by quote? Quote means a small paragraph which is randomly written by someone. You have done it, right? It should be a little small. It should be a little big so you can color it. See, for this only do it one side only. Now you can fill it with your favorite colors. I've told you what colors you need. You need pink, blue, red, if you want, yellow and orange. You can start coloring these hearts. You have to make it a little quick, or you can do it slow, it's okay. I like to do quick because time will be there for us. See, you have to color like this, so it will look more nice and cute. And yes, you have to color it nicely. If colors are repeated, that's the best. Or if it's not repeated, it's okay. And if you have more colors, it will be more good. But these are the main colors you need. Are everyone done? I am waiting for you. Okay, so if you have no idea how to do it, look at this. You can do like this. Now in this side, you have to draw another shape. You can choose a shape only from these. These look more cute. So I am drawing stars. You can do any other shapes if you like. And same like the hearts, you can change the directions. I didn't show you before what we are going to do because it's going to be a very nice craft, and it will be a surprise too. Can you guess what is going to be? Guess and tell me in the comments if they are turned on. In most of the videos, the comments are not turned on. So this is going to be a little big video because I also colored. You can draw first and then you can color. For these hearts, you can use the same colors as the hearts. So look, you have to draw stars like this. Now let us color them. Everyone, do you know everyone doodling? If you do doodling every day, you will get good grips to your hand. Now, are you done, everyone? Is everyone done? Look, you have to draw this colors the star like this. Now if you look from far, how does it look like? It looks very much confetti. Now we never leave the background. We also have to color the background, something very light, and you can draw light pink. How to draw light pink? See, this is a rough note. This is my rough page. So this is its original color. It's its original color. But if you do it very lightly, we'll get the color like this. So you may use this color. Or you have any other yellow or light pink or baby pink or light blue or light orange, you can use it, or any other color. What is your favorite color, everyone? Tell me in the comments. Now, if you have another page, do you have a page like this small? If you don't have, you can if you don't have, you can just take a unused pencil or a straw. If you have a straw, you have to cut it in, and if you have a pencil, make it a little smaller. So you have to make it like this by folding it. Look, it's like a mustache. Now you have to color it. No, you can color it if you want, but I'm not going to color it. So I'm gonna paste the glue, and after that you have to paste it like this here. Now after I paste it, I'm gonna color it, but after only it dries. So is it look familiar to you? What is gonna be? Now we don't need your colors anymore. Just keep your pencil aside. If you don't want to color that stick, we don't need anything, just your pencil, because we're going to draw something. Let me see. Yes, so are you done coloring and pasting that? Now you have to wait a little bit so it will dry. Now you will get an opening like this. You have to paste it, you have to paste glue and paste it, and wait for a while so it will dry. So it will be good, it will never come out. And if you take it out easily, very fast, you don't have to take it out, let it be, it will look good. So you can write your favorite word. I'm going to write Unicorn Fun because it is our channel's name. So you can write of your favorite color. I am going to write blue color. You can write it here because you have been colored it, and your pen will be not working. You can write here. I think this doesn't work. Yes, this one. See everyone, I wrote Unicorn Fun here. You can write anything, any word you like the most. Now it will be easy if you write with your pencil, but I wrote with a pen, so that it will look dark. Afterwards you can make it dark. Okay everyone, now we don't also need your pencil. Our craft is ready. Look at this, we made a kite. You can make a paper doll, and you can play this size paper doll, and you can play with her kite. Now we don't need any of your stationery. You just have to listen to me. I'm going to tell you a story. Let me see, what story shall I tell you? Did I told you? Just imagine. No, right? Let me tell you. See, everyone, this I've gave you something to do, an activity. We will love to imagine and daydream about things, people and places. Imagine yourself to be an ant. Draw things around you from your perspective. Okay? You have to draw that. Now, I will tell you the poem. If crocodiles had to brush their teeth the way I do every morning and night, just imagine the number of toothbrushes they would need to keep those rows of teeth sparkling white. If elephants had to use handkerchiefs every time they sneezed or had a bad cold, just imagine how many hankies they would have to wash their iron and fold. If giraffes had to wear ties around their necks like I do to school every day, just imagine how long those ties would be and how they dangle, flutter and sway. If centipedes had to wear boots with laces all fastened and tied up tight, just imagine what a tangle of legs there would be if just one of those laces wasn't done up right. If children like me had wings like birds, with which we could fly and soar up high, just imagine how many children there would be zooming about in the sky. Okay everyone, so we have done our video, and please like, share and subscribe. Bye.